Well, hello, it's Virtual Me again. This time I'm here to show you the graphical method of solving for when and where car 1 overtakes car 2 in this arrangement, in this little race. So, what we have here is a D versus T graph, displacement versus time. And what you see are the slopes that represent the velocity and their corresponding equations that match. So for example, this is the equation for car 1. Here's the slope. And note that the slope is actually V1G. It's rise over run, displacement over time. So we have the displacement of car 1 and its slope. Over here, we have the displacement of car 2, and it's equal to V2G, so its slope is represented by this blue line over here, and notice that it has a head start. So the y-intercept, DH, D head start, is 5 meters, and so that's where this guy starts. So we can see that their intersection occurs over here where my cursor is, and where that intersection occurs determines the time at which the cars meet and also their displacement relative to the origin, which was at the beginning of where car 1 started. There's a tool in Logger Pro. It's called Interpolate. Interpolate's great. I'm going to do that for us and make that font a little bigger for us to see. Oh, how about 48? Yeah, this is looking good. All right. Because what I'll reveal here is the equations with the numbers plugged in, okay? So here we've got D equals 5t, that's for car 1, and D car 2 is 2t plus 5. And so you notice when I cursor over, we can see the displacements in the times. And so as I get to that intersection, those displacements become closer and closer. We want to see what that time is. And so here it is, approximately 1.67 seconds. 1.66 seconds. So in this range over here, we can see that the displacements are just about equal. In physics, we call that equal. And the time is 1.66 seconds. So graphically, if we were to find a program like Logger Pro and plot it out and look for their intersection, we could see what their axes are. You can do this by hand on graph paper, but much more convenient to use the tools in Logger Pro. Fire up the equation and then look with the interpolation tool to see where that intersection is. So this is a wonderful method to find the displacement at which the two cars meet and also the time.